Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will help you understand how you can add the billing address onto your account. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account, and on the left hand side you will find the subscription option. Click on it, and once you will click on it, you will get an option, the fourth option of billing. So click on it and it will ask you to add your billing address. So simply you can type the company name, select the country from here, you can select the state from here, and you can select the street address, tax ID, and the postal code, and lastly the phone number. Once you will provide all these details here, you can simply click on update, and once you will click on update, so those details will be saved. Okay, so if anything that you left and you do not provide, the error message will come up. So make sure to provide all the details here. So if I put this, see, all the details has been saved successfully. I am getting the option here, and in case if I want to change these details in future, so I can simply click on this edit option and I can change these details anytime, and again I can click the save to save the necessity changes. That's all how you can add the billing address onto your account. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin. Bye.